Hello and welcome to the third lesson on how to sell books and notebooks on Amazon KDP. If in the previous lessons we showed you how to quickly create a children's notebook in Canva and how to post your work on Amazon, today we will talk about how to get the first sales on Amazon. In this video I will show you how to set up an advertisement on Amazon, what is the budget you need, and I will answer the question, what is the best time to create an advertisement? Before starting I want to say welcome to the Smart Money channel. Here we discuss the best methods of creating passive and active sources of income and show you step by step what you have to do to get the first money. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so, because this channel is new and I will show you the most current online income ideas starting now. So, in order to create an advertisement, we must connect to the Amazon KDP platform and enter the bookshelf. We choose the book we want to promote, click on these 3 points and select from the list Promote and Advertise. Here we choose the market where we want to promote our book or notebook and click on Create a Campaign. Amazon Ads offers us 3 types of company: lock screen ads, sponsored brands, and sponsored products. Lock screen is only for ebooks, so it's not what we need right now. Sponsored brands gives us the opportunity to create an advertisement with several products, thus we create an advertisement of the brand. And sponsored products is what we need. We start with a company name. You can leave it on default as it is here or modify it so that it is clear what the advertisement is if you have more. Below we select the term of the advertisement, by default it is today. Now we have to choose the budget. Here it depends on how much money you are willing to pay daily for advertising. A good advertisement must last several days, therefore divide the budget you have by the number of days you want the advertisement to last. You can start with even $1 per day, after which you can increase the daily budget. The type of advertisement is automatic and manual. In the automatic case, Amazon alone will decide on which keywords to show our book, but the bad part is that we advertise in the first days after the publication of the book and Amazon still does not have the necessary data to understand who needs this book and will show it the book of those who do not need it. That's why we can spend the budget without having sales, so we will choose the manual option. Manual targeting is the perfect solution in our case. I recommend that you advertise the book as soon as possible after its publication, because the first days of the book's life are the most important. If you have sales from the first days after publication, Amazon considers the book requested by buyers and will position it in the first search positions. In this way, if you help sell the book, Amazon will also help. Company bidding strategy. Amazon has several strategies for budget and advertising. Dynamic bids, down only. Here I allow the algorithm to lower the price if it considers that I have no chance of sale, but not to increase it. Dynamic bids, up and down. In this case the algorithm can increase the price and in some cases it can increase the price higher than your profit per sale, so I do not recommend this strategy. Fixed bids, I think everything is already clear here. Next, choose the ad format, custom or standard. Custom text ad is a solution for those who are good at writing text to attract customers. I'm less successful at this, that's why I always choose standard ad. If we choose the standard method, below we have the option to group several products into subgroups by niche. For example, if we have coloring books for children and for adults, then we make 2 subgroups and both will be in one advertisement. We go to manual targeting and we have 2 options, keyword and product targeting. From my experience, I have concluded that keyword targeting is a better solution. Here it is important to change from suggested bid to custom bid. Bid is the price you pay for a view. The more competitive the keyword, the higher the bid. If someone sets this bid at 5 cents, but you set it at 6 cents, then your ad will be positioned higher. But still, never bid the amounts that Amazon suggests because those amounts can exceed the profit from your sales. With this price you can experiment. I recommend you start with 2 cents. For each keyword we have 3 variants. As an example, we have a notebook for writing letters. Exactly, it displays our book only once someone has written the phrase notebook for writing letters in the search phrase, displays our book when our keywords are part of the search phrase. Broad, displays our book when our keywords are found in the search phrase. So we check all 3 options. Now we have to choose the keywords for our advertisement. Here below you have many suggestions with keywords from which you can choose what you need, but it may happen that you don't have anything here. In this case go to the Enter List menu and manually enter all the keywords. But don't forget to set the bid for each keyword here. Negative targeting are those keywords for which we do not want our books to be displayed. After finishing the ad settings, we press launch campaign and we have to wait a few hours until the ad is approved. Congratulations! We managed to learn how to create a notebook, how to publish it correctly and how to promote our product. If this video was useful to you, then please, as a sign of gratitude, subscribe to the channel and press like. Thank you and see you in the next videos.